In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Google Sheet into Supabase. We'll keep it simple and reliable. First, we'll export your Google Sheet as a CSV file. Then we'll bring that CSV into your Supabase database using the table editor. Before you start, take a quick moment to tidy your sheet. Make sure the first row contains clear, unique column headers. Avoid merged cells. And check that dates, numbers, and true or false values are consistent down each column. When you export to CSV, Google Sheets saves the displayed values, not the formulas themselves. So if your sheet uses formulas, confirm the results look correct. Also remember that CSV exports only the current sheet, so click the tab you actually want to move over. If you have a title row above your headers, remove it so the header row is the very first line. In Google Sheets, open the File menu, choose Download, and select comma-separated values for the current sheet. Save the file somewhere easy to find. Giving the file a simple name can help during the upload, and UTF-8 encoding is standard. If you're curious, you can even peek at the CSV in a text editor to confirm the headers appear on the first line and the commas separate values as expected. Next, head to your Supabase dashboard and open your project's table editor. You can import into an existing table or create a new one if this data deserves its own place. If you create a new table, using column names that match your sheet's headers will minimize mapping later and help Supabase infer types accurately. In the table editor, look for Import Data from CSV. Depending on the interface version, you might find it directly or under Insert, then Import Data from CSV. Choose your CSV file, and Supabase will load a preview. It will attempt to map each column from the CSV to a column in your table and infer data types where possible. Take a moment to review this mapping. Ensure text, numbers, and timestamps are recognized correctly, and that column names line up with your table. If the names match, this step is usually seamless, but it's worth double-checking things like date formats, which work best in a standard format like YYYYMMDD. Start the import and let Supabase insert the rows. When it finishes, you'll see the data in the table editor. Spot-check a few records, especially dates, numeric fields, and any columns with empty values, which are typically treated as null. If anything looks off, you can adjust your CSV or table and re-import. This CSV import works best for small to moderate-sized datasets. There's a recommended size limit. For very large files, consider a bulk loading method designed for scale. Otherwise, that's it. Export from Google Sheets, import into Supabase, review the mapping, and you're done. Happy building!